Welcome to the Chinese Learn English program. In public and private Australian schools, I also have extensive experience in teaching on a remote Pacific island, as well as teaching in mainland China. My name is Glenn Williams. This section of study introduces you to the types of words used in the English language. They are called parts of speech. We will continue with the type of words called verbs. Parts of speech. Verbs. Like an adjective describes a noun, a verb tells what that noun is doing or its state of being. Here are two children. The children play. The children play. Noun, verb. The children play. Noun, the name or subject of the sentence. Verb, what the subject is doing. Here is a dog. The dog sits. Dog sits. Noun, verb. The dog sits. Noun, the name or subject of the sentence. Verb, what the subject is doing. Here are 20 common verbs. To be. To be. To have. To have. To do. To do. To say. To say. To get. To get. To make. To make. To go. To go. To know. To know. To take. To take. To see. To see. To come. To come. To think. To think. To look. To look. To want. To want. To give. To give. To use. To use. To find. To find. To tell. To tell. To ask. To ask. To work. To work. Let's conjugate the verb to be. We will use these personal pronouns. I, you, he, she, we, you, they. I am. You are. He is. She is. We are. You are. They are. Let's make simple sentences. My daughter sails. The students learn. I am with my family. The water reflects the sun. These are the verbs: sails, learn, am, reflects. The next slide shows some nouns and verbs. We can make simple sentences with them. Find the words boy and runs. Boy, runs. The boy runs. Noun, verb. Find the words sun and shines. Sun shines. The sun shines. Noun, verb. We can make other simple sentences. Noun, verb. The teacher asks. The water boils. The baby sleeps. The dog sits. The man works. The student thinks. The rain falls. The child wants. Use the nouns and verbs on the next page to make other simple sentences. Like an adjective describes a noun, a verb tells what that noun is doing or its state of being.